Welcome my channel, Kakaibaum TV. Another sharing old banknotes from Portugal. Reverse brown, 6 vignettes in oval frames. A cruise top, overprinted, red crowned. Lettering Lisboa 1799. Is the real intrario, it was necessary to pay the bearer of this policy from today to 1 year 10,000 res. His competed in Lisbon interest of 1,798. Reverse blank with about 8 to 15 different stamp. Year 1800, 1803, 1802. Stamp from 1806, 1809, 1807. Simple sharing. Thank you to all subscribers and viewers. Thank you so much. Muito obrigado. Muchas gracias. Danke merci. Dumo arigato. Shukran. Salamat.